Hi, and welcome to Trader Sam's Grog Grotto in the Polynesian Resort in Disney World. Thanks to everyone who's watched our videos and followed along as we've toured Disney World for Halloween prop inspiration. We've had a great time doing it. We want to keep doing it, so please subscribe, like our videos, comment, and all that to keep us going. This should be our last tour of Disney World for prop inspiration videos, unless there's some other ideas that come up or anyone has any other suggestions. After this, we'll move on to California, to Disneyland, and see what inspiration we can get from the rides and attractions and things out there. And then we're going to move on to the rest of the world, Paris and Tokyo, etc., and view the stuff out there too. So Trader Sam's is one of my favorite places in Disney World. Like the other attractions that we visited, I just feel inspired and creative as soon as I walk in here. It's just a lot of fun. Everyone has fun here. The guests, the cast members really get into it. There's just so many hidden details that tie back to other attractions, to movies, to other places, stuff like that. We're going to see a bunch of that here today. So anyway, grab a drink and let's get started. Hey, Mr. Squid Bartender, can I get a refill here? Hello? Okay, here we are entering Trader Sam's. I believe this video was made, this is an older video, it was when I think it first opened up, so it's maybe even been the first day it was opening here. Aloha! It's changed a little bit, I think, since then. I think some of the props have changed a little bit. Basically it's the same, but this was a good video that I found that really went through all the props. So I went with this video as opposed to others. Some of the other ones really more focused on just drinks and food and stuff. So here we are inside. We're starting to see all the props that, some of the things that we talked about, all these different things that are just hanging everywhere, all these different kind of oddball props and different things. Here we see some of the drinks. That's Nautilus from the 20,000 Leagues Under the Sea movie, one of my favorite movies when I was a kid too. I love that. It's an odd looking mug. Difficult to drink out of. I guess two people can share it. But it looks great. Here we are behind the bar, and you see the bartenders. They all get into these funny skits and stuff and do different stuff on different drinks. And the underwater drink, I guess, that goes for the Nautilus or something. You can see some of these tiki mats and stuff behind the bar. There's the squid bartender prop there. Here you can see that the arm comes down. I don't know if it still does that. I haven't noticed it do that. Like you fill a drink from it. Looking at this, I was thinking about, could you make a like kind of like arms like that for Halloween? I think I could do it. I think I could do something anyway. I was thinking with like a flying crank ghost apparatus set up and make some arms like that on it, some squid arms, and move around. Here's a picture of the Nautilus on the wall there. Pretty cool, goes like that. Here's like an old-fashioned like deep sea diving mask here with the bubbles coming out of it. This is behind the bars. There's just so many things like that here. It's just great. There's a little bird there. It looks like one of the birds from the Enchanted Tiki room. This, I believe they took this out. This family tree with the shrunken heads here. I believe this is no longer there. I think they deemed it was maybe kind of offensive or something. The shrunken heads. I don't know. Here's another gag going on with the bartenders. I'm not quite sure what this one is here, but they love doing stuff like this. Everything, every drink has some kind of different skit that goes along with it and stuff. So they keep you definitely entertained and all. Here's the zombie head mug. That looks cool. I like that one. Here's this big giant clamshell, and these like these pearl mugs come out of there. Here we go. Okay. Trying to get it pop on. Trying to get it to go off. It's supposed to go off. There it goes. Okay, it went off. Here's some of the drinks. This one's pretty cool. Light them on fire, and then you throw the little cinnamon in there, and it makes it flame up. It's pretty cool. We've had that one too. Right there. chant to the tiki god, and the god gets angered or something, and you have to appease the god. And here she goes. Where is it? It starts to rain. It starts to storm. Storm at the windows there. The god here starts to light up and go off here. There it is. Yeah, this is from the Enchanted Tiki Room when they did their under new management makeover, which didn't really last too long, but the prop ended up here. Here, going through some more drinks. This is that drink again.
Stop playing with your food.
That's the very first. Right?
You got it, very first. Woo!
All right.
Enjoy. Go on the side.
Giant statues there. Yeah, so like I said, we had this drink when we were there. It's a lot of fun. It tastes good, and you know, you get a little routine out of it too. So that's great.
It's all gone already. That was fast.
But Tiki, Trader Sam's Grog Grotto is it's a really cool place. I love to come here since we kind of discovered it. We started going to Polynesian. There's another drink. I love it. You know, the mugs and all. This one I think starts the volcanoes to go off. The lights go down, and then the volcanoes go off at the windows here. We have windows like this. I created a window like this for our bar. I'll put in a video of it here. You can see that. It's similar. It goes through the same things. It has a volcano that erupts sometimes, and it rains sometimes. It does all that. I love that. Sometimes I just put it on and sit at the bar and listen to it, or get in the mood. Imagine I'm in the Trader Sam's there. So here they go again. Volcanoes going off. And then we'll go around and we'll see some of the other props too eventually here. These windows are really cool. If you really wanted to do it right, I guess, mine I just kind of have sitting there with the bamboo frame in front of it and stuff like that. But I guess if you did it like in a shadow box, probably kind of how they do it here, or you recess it into the wall, then you can put the fake plants like outside the window and stuff to really give it a 3D depth. But I like mine. It's simple but effective at this point. My wife probably wouldn't really appreciate me blasting a hole in the wall to put the TV in. And some of these props, I don't know what that big glowy thing is there. I don't recall seeing that, but it kind of was off there. That's something. And then these kind of lanterns that hang down. There's a Hawaiian type, tiki type picture there. There's the zombie head mug again. Here's some of the food they have. Actually, pretty good food. Kind of like pub food, appetizer type stuff. But it's pretty unique and different, and it's pretty good. I've gotten a few things there. I always enjoyed them. Some kind of dumpling type of thing. And these are some kind of, I don't know, like a pot sticker or something. I don't know what you call those things. I don't know if I've had those, but this looks like sushi or something, which I don't eat sushi, so I don't know about this one. But probably good if you like sushi. And there's like taco things. Those look good. I'm getting hungry now. I'm hungry watching all the stuff go by here. More drinks. Drinks running out here. Mr. Squid bartender, need a refill. He's not listening to me. Some more of the food here I got here, and that's that like the pearl mug there. Okay, all right. I'm hungry. Come on, let's go. All right, here we are. Look at some of the props here. Stop and pause and maybe look at some of these here. Let's see, Book of Witchcraft, and I'm not sure what this thing is here. A bunch of little like hula dancers here. old records and stuff here. Down through here, some of these wood carving figures here. I'm not sure if those are from something. Eating people is wrong. Eating people is wrong. These figures, I'm not sure if they're from a prop from a movie or something. That I'm not sure. There's the orange bird. There's the Florida citrus grower mascot Disney created for them from the 70s when Disney World first opened. We've since made a comeback. You now see a lot of and that looks like must be the Brady Bunch. The idol that they had that haunted, that gave them bad luck. You're old enough to remember that. This is life preservers from the Maelstrom over in Epcot, the old ride that was in Norway that was closed down and rethemed to the Frozen ride. Frozen Ever After. Here's just wall after wall. These tiki masks and all. I had an idea for a tiki Halloween prop years ago. I never got to make. I saw these masks and I thought they'd be cool. You could put them on like a log or something, like a totem pole. But I never did make it, and I'm gonna maybe put some smoke machine in them so they smoke and do kind of stuff like that. But hopefully, maybe someday I'll find some good masks with those again. Here's some of the mugs that they have on sale here. Remember mugs you can buy. Krakatoa one. Clamming to go home with you. That's the pearl. The zombie is ready to follow you home. That's a little Haunted Mansion reference on that one. Keep your eye out for this on the shelf. Okay. The shirt. Let's see, awesome looking Trader Sam's shirt. Here's just a wide shot. I guess to kind of take everything in here. It's not a very big place at all. It's very tight. So that kind of adds to it, though, because you really get to talk to everybody. Just talk to people you don't know. It's a lot of fun. A lot of fun to go there. I miss it. I need to go there now. Great. Another thing I'm going to be looking forward to, but I got to wait until we go to Disney again. All right, so that's it for Trader Sam's. Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe.